Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Hi guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's vlog is about a Dawat vlog. As many of you know, my niece got married recently, so my brother and my mum invited my niece's in-laws over. So this is the Dawat vlog. So the Dawat was for lunch. So here we've all gathered. My sister came over and her family, my family came over, as well as my in-laws. So my mum and my mother-in-law are here just chatting. And I thought I'd give you guys a little tour of my baby's garden. Reba's making some roses for the tal. So this is how you make a rose. Here my baby is making pulao, so she's just added the colouring in, and I think it just looks really beautiful when you add in the colour. So here we're going to make a tal for the groom, because it's his first time coming to my brother's house. So my niece is here helping out doing the tal. We were just telling her that you know, it's good to come and watch when the elders are doing things, so you can learn and sometimes even try it out for yourself. She's only 17 years old, but she's really good, and she's done really well. You'll see her decorating the tal in a while. So she's just getting the rice in the tray, and then we're going to set it up. I know in this country we all have to do everything by ourselves, so there's no other way than being independent. If you were in Bangladesh or any other country, it's a different matter, because we're usually lucky to have helpers around, and we can get extra help from friends and family, or even we could pay somebody to come and do our work. But in this country, unfortunately, we don't have the luxury of getting a person to help out, other than family when they are free. But even then, family members are working, they have children, they're always busy. So we have to be independent, and we have to learn how to do things for ourselves instead of relying on others. However, I do think children from this country do learn the basic life skills from an early age. When you encourage them, they're really accepting of that. And you know, there's no such thing as loving your children too much so that you don't let them do any work, housework, but that's not helping them in the long run, because they're not preparing themselves for life later on. and they won't be able to live without being able to feed themselves, cook for themselves, and clean for themselves. I've also seen parents who completely abuse their children and go the other way as well. So too much of anything is bad. So in Islam, we're advised to do everything moderately. So even getting your children to help out doesn't mean you sit around and not touch a thing. Let your children do everything by themselves. You have to have a balance because your children have studies to do, and they need to enjoy themselves as well. So you have to have that balance, and you have to do everything moderately. So here I'm stirring the rice because you have to be multitasking when you give dawat. That's really important. Thal is finally done, so we're going to put it aside until the daman comes. So here it is, the final look.
You have to sit on the floor. Mama first Abdullah. Mama Come on, anybody?
Whilst the children were having the thal, we set up the table and we served the starters. So after they finish having the thal, they will come over and have the starters, and then the main, and then the dessert.
So make sure you get everything.
আমার দেশে তো তোমার আব্বুটা নিয়ে যাও সবাই মানে আপনি না আমি নরল হইতাম চলো খাওয়া লাগবো আগে না আমি খালি টেবুল টোটা রুমাল দিয়ে মুখ
So this was in the evening after they had dessert. About 2 hours later, my baby fried some samosas, shingara, sardine, a few nastas for them to eat and to have it with tea.
থাকার আগে লইলে আমার থাকলে বাদ দিন লই মনে
ওই বইয়া পাইয়ে দিব যেত চা না ওই আমরা দুজনে খাইতাম না আপনি খাও ওই
আমরা না খাই
আমরা আজকে কোনটা খাইতাম না ভাতও নাই তরকারিও নাই চাও নাই ওই আমরা আরো বেশি খাই কইলাম না কইটা আর বাদে এসে আমরা কোনটা বেশি এত সুন্দর রয়েছে
So this is the mishti our behind brought. So we're just serving the mishti to them now. And my vlog is coming to an end, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. And until my next video, take care. Assalamu alaikum.